So first of all guys, this says this is smart musical flower pot, so can play intelligent music pod. So it's something kind of different and something kind of crazy kind of innovations. So there's plant interaction, Bluetooth speaker, multicolor lights, and there's some real plant, the Bluetooth, the colorful light, 360 sound, long playtime, and the bass. So it has a Bluetooth speaker as it says inside, and these are some things which you can actually use it for. It has a lot of things. Okay, so this is from the unknown company which I've got it. So I don't know whether it's gonna be really cool or not, but as per the packing it really looks lame kind of packing. So I don't know what's inside this box, so let's get this thing started, guys. Okay, there's seals right on the side. Cutting out the seals. Okay, good to go. Okay, so actually didn't give any of the color specifications on the product, so I just got a blue one. It's nice actually, I like the blue color. Okay, this is the smart pod in front of you guys. These are the smart pods, and this is the speakers as they were saying. And I don't know what's this, some kind of stick, and I guess these are the lights which where the lights gonna come up. So, and these are the battery pods and all that stuff. So let's switch this thing on, guys. Okay, here we go, there's a light. Some music.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, right now this is in the Bluetooth mode where you can actually connect the music and play it. So I don't think so you can plant the thing inside this. I mean, there's a lot of tech inside this thing, but they say we can actually plant some real plants inside this. So let's see how this thing reacts with the plant. As it says, it can interact with the real plants. So I don't have any other idea of this, guys, so let's get this thing started. I'll just switch it off for now.
Power off.
Okay, this is amazing, I like the product. So right now I'm going to show you the real plant that's going to be potted inside. So this is the real indoor plant. So I'm going to bring this thing inside this thing. So let's see what's going to happen, whether it's going to react with the plant or can it really interact with the real plant. So I don't know how it does, so let me plant this thing. And I don't know whether Shrektech has become farmer. So if you want to hit the subscribe button, please go ahead. There's no stopping, guys. Please subscribe to my channel or sharing it. And I'm gonna plant this thing in that thing in a short while. So guys, right now I've cleaned up the mess, so I don't want to get fights again. So this is the real plant that I have actually right in front of you, planted this in the smart pot. So let's see whether it's really gonna interact with the smart pot. So basically I'm gonna start this thing up. Right down there's a power button. Okay, there's some music coming up. So this is startup. And if you want to switch to Bluetooth mode, just tap again on the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
So this is in the Bluetooth mode right now. So if I want to change it to the plant interaction mode, so I'm gonna switch to this one. Just give me a sec. They didn't give any manual for this, so Whoa, wait, what's... What? Okay, you guys are seeing this, right? Oh, there's nothing. Oh my god, seriously. Shh. Wait, what? Seriously? Oh my god. I'm just tapping on the leaf, as you can see. Not even hard, just a touch. Whoa, my god. This is amazing. This is literally a smart pod. Oh my god. There's no remote for this, as you can see. This is no remote. There's no remote for this thing to operate or actually run on. This runs on the internal battery that you're gonna recharge using the Type A chargers, which they actually didn't include in this thing. There's a manual, there's nothing in this, just this smart pod right in front of you. And this is amazing. This is crazy. Okay, right now the planned interaction is really great. And without wasting my time, let's switch to the Bluetooth mode. Check out the sound quality of this thing. That's gonna be the main thing, because music lovers do like music if they actually want the music beneath their plant. This is really amazing. So switching to the Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
So right now it's in the Bluetooth mode, so I'm gonna pair it with my smartphone. Going to the settings, go to Bluetooth, turning it on. So you can see this.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, the language, it was quite nice. Okay, it's a K3, which is actually connected right now. I'm gonna go to the YouTube. I'm gonna right now play some songs, which it's gonna be from the audio library, which is actually no copyright, so that's where I always go. Whoa, seriously. Oh my god. I'm blowing up, bro. This is the real live test of the smart pod. This is amazing. There's no way that this can actually do this. This is a smart pod. Come on. Oh my god. Plan interaction. The Bluetooth sound is really amazing, which I really liked it. The sound actually takes a whole room actually, man. This is really amazing. I guess you guys need to buy this thing. And the thing is, it can only control the volume from the smartphone itself. So it doesn't have any internal volumes, volume up and down. So you just need to connect it control it with your smartphone. So this is really amazing, guys. Okay, this is kind of a pause right now. Okay, this is the plan interaction, back to plan interaction. In one touch, going back to Bluetooth mode. So right now you can see it just got connected instantly, which is really great. The amazing thing about this, guys, it has a lot of things. Oh my god, it has a lot of things. Oh my god, this is really a smart pod, guys. If you want to buy this thing, the link is in the description below. Go check it out. Please subscribe it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want more YouTube unboxing stuff and really big lot of content that's coming on the way, stay tuned for the more updates. Hit the notification button as well, so you can get the notifications whenever I upload it. So you can go check out my page on Instagram at Shrek_tech. Neither it's in the Facebook. You can go check it out. The link is in the description below. Check it out right now. And don't forget to buy the merchandise, guys. The merchandise are rocking right now. The link is also in the description below. Go check it out. It is really amazing, guys. You can enjoy your music along with the interaction with the plants. And this is really some kind of attraction in the house where you can keep it indoors. And especially this plant is an indoor, so I can honestly keep it inside the house. And if you're worried about the water stuff, there is a hole beneath this thing. As you can see, this is the hole which comes out. So the excess water is going to come out from the hole. You don't need to worry. The speakers are high above, so it doesn't need to just get blocked because of the water. And the second or the third thing is they have the stickers right here. You can just peel them off, and then you can just paste it anywhere. Frame this, or it just doesn't glide off. This is the great unboxing ever done on my channel, and I'm hopefully thinking that you guys have subscribed to my channel. And if you're not, please subscribe right away, and please support me by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, guys. If you really like this tech, the link is in the description below. Go check it out. Have a nice day, guys. Buy my merchandise right now on teespring.com/stores/Shrektech. So have a nice day, guys.